Ever wondered about the potent health benefits hidden within the tropical delight of coconuts and pineapples? Prepare for a journey that promises to not only tantalize your taste buds, but also enhance your health. Coconut, the versatile, creamy delight, is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's brimming with fiber and hosts a bounty of healthy fats. Among these fats, medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs shine bright. They're known to support your metabolism, providing a natural energy boost, and may even aid in weight loss. Now let's turn to the vibrant pineapple, a fruit that's as beneficial as it is flavorful. Pineapple is an excellent source of vitamin C and manganese. These nutrients play a vital role in strengthening the immune system and promoting healthy skin. But the wonder doesn't stop there. Pineapples also contain bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and boasts anti-inflammatory properties. Together, coconut and pineapple not only create a delightful tropical flavor, but also offer a potent immune system boost. The combination of these two fruits can become a powerful ally in your journey towards better health. Now, imagine harnessing all these benefits in a delicious, refreshing dessert. Picture fresh pineapple chunks bathed in creamy coconut milk, sweetened with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, and garnished with fresh mint. Optionally, you can sprinkle a handful of nuts or almonds for an added crunch. To create this tropical dessert, start by mixing the pineapple, coconut milk, and sweetener in a bowl. After this, let the mixture chill in the refrigerator for at least an hour, allowing the flavors to mingle and intensify. Finally, serve it cold, garnished with mint and sprinkled with your choice of nuts or almonds. This simple yet flavorful dessert can be a delightful way to introduce the health benefits of coconut and pineapple into your diet. It's not just about the exotic taste, but also about the wellness these tropical fruits can bring. So get creative with your kitchen adventures. If you have your own favorite recipes using coconut and pineapple, don't hesitate to share. And remember, for more inspiration on healthy cooking and tasty recipes, consider subscribing to our channel and joining our community of healthy eating enthusiasts. Enjoy the tropical bliss of coconuts and pineapples, and here's to your health.